So I am giving away this alpha marketing angle guide. I use all the methods in this guide to create my own marketing content for affiliate products or for my own products, and you can use these angles for your products and basically get the best results. To get this guide, all you have to do is simply like, share, subscribe and comment to this video, and I'm going to give you this guide. Hello students. So let's begin. So today we are going to discuss how you need to actually start working with CPA offers in 2026, and what are the methods that I am currently using to promote my CPA offers. All right, first thing first, for every single new student, here is a disclaimer. I am not taking any more new students, so please don't mail me because I will not be able to attend you all. I have other projects going on right now, so that's one thing. Next is, here's the three simple steps. All right, three-step method that I'm currently using to get conversions on CPA and actually make revenue, make money. All right, fairly simple. So if you want to start out, what's the first step? First step is picking the offer from offer vault. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to offer vault. So here is offer vault. All right, this is offer vault, offervault.com. And if I reload the page, so I'm reloading the page now. Let's see. All right, so this is the, I have reloaded the page and this is how the page looks. So let's say if I get and if I pick this offer, so I'm going to right click here, copy link address. I'm going to go to, this is Monkai Spy tool. If I reload this page, here affiliate spy, here you go to this particular place, here you paste the link and you have to get Intel data. So our second step is running right now. Verify the revenue from Monkai. Monkai is a spy tool that basically help us to spy on the estimated revenue of every offer and on which networks this particular offer is running. So it is running on content ad, it's running on Pusher and etc. Here we can see the spend. So the one thing that every single, if you are a CPA marketer and you are starting out, the first thing you have to really keep in mind is the spend is $220 a day spent for $380 revenue. It's very near, right? You don't have a whole lot of margin of error. So most of the time when you're starting out, the least amount of spent is the best case for most of the marketers. But in this particular case, we have to be smart. We have to realize that the gap between estimated daily revenue and spent is very less. So we have to go for push ads. Here we can see a spend of $490 on $1,300 basically revenue, and we can see the bid of 37 cents. So what we are going to do is we're going to check out which country is basically running. So it's basically AL. All right, so if we can actually check what is AL country code. All right, so Albania. So this is for Albania. It's a $30 payout. It's on CPA Getty. So if it's a $30 payout and we are going for a 37 per click, so what a smart marketer does, so if you are using this particular tool, which I highly recommend, when you're using this tool, don't go for this. This is an optimized CPC. You don't have to go for this. Start with the lowest CPC and increase it gradually, and realize that your CPC should never be more than this. This is the optimized CPC. Once it's done, you have to realize that retargeting works effectively. So on the optimized CPC, retargeting will work very well. So you have to first get the original audience and then start a retargeting campaign. So I hope you're clear on this one. If there are any doubts, feel free to ask. Now, here's the third part of this particular CPA marketing strategy that I highly recommend you start today. Run the campaign. Don't overthink it. Run the campaign. How do you run the campaign? You have the platform. You have the optimized maximum bid. You have the daily spend. You don't have to spend this much. You can start spending with $20 a day campaign. I recommend to start with a $20 a day campaign. All right, no matter which country you pick. If you're starting out with this, eventually you're going to start getting conversions. All right. Now, if you don't know how to create creatives, you have to just copy this. This is from Monkai tool. So copy this and you come here, you paste here, and basically check out what's going on. All right. So this is gel. This is botanical gel. All right. So this is gel, this caffeine stuff. So this is particular gel. All right. If I click here, there's serum. All right. Here we can see the product. All you have to do is just take the graphics from here, or you can use one more method that is fairly popular. Go on Google Images. All right. So here you can pick the Google image and basically start running campaigns according to that. Now, once you're done with all this, you have to do two more things. After you are done, you have to keep optimizing a campaign until you reach this particular click. And before reaching this click, your campaign should be making profits. So once it's done, that means your campaign is profitable. It is based on the click, not the spend. I'm talking about the CPC. All right. So gradually increase. Don't start with optimized CPC. Your audience is not optimized for optimized CPC. Realize that. A new audience on optimized CPC will increase your ad spend drastically, right? You are basically spending high amount of CPC on the kind of audience that has never seen your ad, or more importantly, the network, that whatever network you're using. For example, here Pusher, you're not gonna just start running your campaign on the best quality audience immediately, because they don't know that, right? So you have to realize that you have to basically keep running the campaigns on the exact network. All right. So here we have to start with the campaign running. Now, this particular tool, I recommend don't skip this step, the verification step, because if you're not verifying, you are basically just running the campaign on the hunch, on basically on a gut feeling, and that doesn't work in this market. So this is the cheapest spy tool that is currently available in the market. If you find any cheaper alternative, if you find any better alternative, feel free to go with them. Without a spy tool, this industry, you cannot work in this, and it's very cheap. It's $32 for one time payment. If you don't buy it, feel free to start running your campaign directly. From my experience, $32 is nothing in this industry. More importantly, if you spend that, it's for lifetime, or you will get all the updates, everything. And this is gold standard information, pay per click, the estimated daily revenue. So it is writing estimated daily revenue, because some people are earning more than that. This is minimum revenue that a successful campaign is running at, right? With the spend of this much, at a $490 spend, and on the retargeting also. So it's giving us a lot of gold standard information. So this is all there is to it. I will provide every link. You can buy the tool and everything. If you feel like, oh, I don't want to buy the tool, feel free to run the campaign directly. But you, of course, you will not have the intel data. So that's a whole other story, and that you will eventually realize why spy tools are very, very important, especially a spy tool like this, which is giving us the optimized CPC and everything. All right. So that's all there is to it. I will see you in the next one. We will discuss it in the next part, how you should continue and scale your, basically put your campaign in the right position and scale it properly. All right. Okay.